fall like I don't rock my ice about going tall. And my move ain't the hardest movie you ever seen. I didn't see the screen. It ain't sitting on 18 stock. I ain't getting no thing in my chain, no swing. I ain't doing my thing, I ain't doing a thing. I ain't got none of that dough, none of them cars. I ain't none of them bars. I ain't the best of the streets, I ain't from the D. No, I wasn't blessed with the beats.
Okay.
Swinging my chain like this, swinging my things.
Okay.
I don't sit long.
Take it by the strap.
This probably just don't look right sitting on my fence. What I need, dip the shine down, sip the shine down. My son, I don't know. No, I ain't never caught a case. I don't know what type of something. I ain't decided to say. I'm far out with my play and all, but I do show y'all how to spit the song. Low big dog, what the big dog, SP dog, what the fuck you talk about? Raise it up, 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 raise it up,
Okay.
raise it up,
Solo.
raise it up, raise it up, raise it up, raise it up.
По выходу. По выходу делаем. Давай, потом побьем.
I never trust the team, guys. This squad that make this shit happen. You know what I'm saying? Fuck shit up. Alright. After the ice takes place. Oh, shit, man. All because of cash. Now I'm mashing on the gas. Left a nigga with a gash. This is worse than the last. Man, still chasing rainbow. Now I'm in the 8th position, feeling mad stress. Stuck up on the mission, wishing. I took a different route. Drinking on Guinness tap. Let the college come up with Jeff. Fuck yeah, I got the outcome. Fuck I'm chicken out. All I wanna see is my clout. Then I go digging out my honey, celebrating, touch shit out.
But back to reality.
I got a fatality and this bitch got the rat on me. Once I got the cat on me.
Okay.
I fucked up his anatomy. Bitches got the rat on me. Plus I got the cat on me. Fuck that. Hey, somebody so bad. Hey, somebody on me was just around the chasing rainbows, adrenaline pumping, pimping, drug dealing, drug running, just body dumping. Ever I'm pumping in my arms for the next heist. But I got her off lips, even though she looks nice. Rough from a pink pipe, gotta get alibi. Chasing rainbows, rainbow the rain in my hair flows. Hell if I get taken out by some chicken head, money get over.
Okay.
I'm a lot, and that's not slick to live with property.
Итак, раз, два, три. Зулу! Аплодисменты. Дальше. Анна Дельцова. Take notes.